This video will tell you how to assign contacts to cases and designate roles. One of the benefits of the PIP is that you only have to enter contact data one time, and then you can assign that contact to multiple cases. In addition, when the address or telephone numbers for a contact change, you only need to make the change to the single contact record, after which it is reflected in all the cases to which that contact is assigned. Contacts can be assigned to more than one case, and contacts can be assigned more than one time to a single case. For example, in a personal injury matter, you may encounter the need to assign a contact more than once to a case when a medical provider treats more than one client, or a doctor testifies as an expert witness when they are also a treating physician. The PIP allows you to assign a contact to a case and designate a role for that contact. Let's see how it's done. From the Cases Detail module, click on the Assign Contact to Case link at the bottom of the screen. You will be presented with the Add Parties to Case dialog box. This dialog box displays two portals of data. The top portal allows you to view all the contact records from the Contacts module. The bottom portal displays a list of contacts that have already been assigned to the case you are currently viewing. In order to locate contact records, use the filters above each column by entering information for the contact you want to add to the case. The list of contacts will update once you tab out of the filter fields. You can enter search criteria in more than one filter field to further narrow your search results. To assign a contact record from the top portal, simply click on the green plus sign icon to the left of the contact record. You will notice that the contact record will turn red in color. You can also note that the contact record will display in the bottom portal, indicating that the contact has been assigned to the presently selected case. Once you have assigned a contact to a case, you will need to designate a role for the contact. Note that the role field contains None Specified. To designate a role, click on None Specified and the Party Details dialog box will appear. You should click first in the role designation field. The drop-down list contains the list of general categories for role designations. Depending on your selection in the designation field, you will find different list items in the Subcategory 1 and Subcategory 2 fields. A complete list of all designations and subcategory list items is contained in the following document. You may also see the Related Party field, which displays a checkbox list of contacts that have been assigned to the case and designated as either clients or adversaries. The field may appear or disappear based on your selections in the designation field. For example, when you designate a contact with the role of an attorney, you can use the Related Party field to indicate which parties the attorney represents. Click the Save button at the bottom of the dialog box to confirm your selections. When entering data for a new case, it is likely that some, if not all, of the contact records for the new case are not yet entered into the PIP Contacts module. In order to speed up the data entry process, we have provided the Create and Add New Party feature, which is located at the bottom left of the Add Parties to Case dialog box. When you click on this button, you will be taken to the Party Details dialog box described above. From this screen, the user can accomplish the task of A, entering the information for the new contact record, B, assigning the contact to the current case, and C, designating the role for the contact. If you want to add more than one address or additional phone and fax numbers or email addresses, you will need to save your changes and then navigate to the Contacts Detail module in order to do so. And finally, you will note that the list of contacts assigned to a case is sorted based on the role designations. This sort order is preset and places contacts designated as clients at the top. However, you can also use the role designation filters at the top of the portal to display groups of contact records based on their role designations. As an example, this feature would be particularly useful when you want to view or print a list of attorneys related to a case. To print any filtered list in the PIP program, simply use the Print feature in the utility toolbar. To edit the role designation for a contact record in a case, simply click on the role designation for that record, and the Party Details dialog box will allow you to make those changes. To remove a contact record from a case, use the trash can icon located to the right of the contact record. Clicking on the trash can icon will not delete the contact record, but will simply break the link to the case file.